The heavy-duty truck segment may not be crowded, but the competition is fierce. The Ram 2500 is entering the new season with notable updates compared to the previous version, but with the intention to rival the Ford F-250 and GM's 2500 models. But does the new 2025 Ram 2500 finally solve the 5 worst issues of its predecessor? You'll find out in this video. Number 5. Overall build quality is way better. Owners of the Ram 2500 appreciate its power and capability, but long-term durability remains a key concern. Over the past few years, complaints have surfaced about paint chipping, rust forming prematurely, and front-end components wearing out too soon. These issues raise questions about the truck's overall build quality, especially for those who expect their heavy-duty workhorse to last for years without major repairs. Many reports from the past suggest that the factory paint job is too thin, leading to chips and scratches even under normal driving conditions. This is especially noticeable around door edges, fenders, and rocker panels where road debris easily takes its toll. You can also find experiences with paint bubbling or peeling, particularly on the hood and roof, long before it should be an issue. After that comes the rust, especially for trucks driven in salt-heavy winter regions. Corrosion is forming too easily on wheel wells, undercarriages, and door bottoms. Even Ram's factory spray and bed liner doesn't always prevent rust from creeping in. On the 2025 Ram 2500, the company is applying a thicker, more durable paint coat, which should boost overall galvanization. Enhancing factory undercoating should prevent premature corrosion. Aluminum body components could also be a solution, reducing the risk of rust altogether. Weak front-end components could also be frustrating for owners who tow heavy loads or drive on rough terrain. Wear on tie rods, ball joints, and track bars aren't unusual. Sometimes this leads to the dreaded death wobble, a violent steering wheel shake when hitting bumps at high speeds. The company has made steering damper updates on the 2025 Ram 2500 to address this issue. That should reduce maintenance costs, since previous owners had to fix this by purchasing steering components through the aftermarket. Number 4. Electrical gremlins have been eliminated. Modern trucks are loaded with technology, but sometimes that tech can cause just as many headaches. Facing electrical gremlins, particularly with Uconnect infotainment glitches, malfunctioning sensors, and electronic system failures, can be frustrating. As the company pushes forward with the Uconnect 5 system in the 2025 model, many of these issues could finally be fixed. The Uconnect infotainment has been one of the most intuitive and feature-packed setups in the truck world. However, in recent years, owners have been reporting unresponsive and freezing screens, as well as Bluetooth connectivity issues. Restarting the system multiple times could make it work, but some owners experience random reboots while driving, making navigation and media controls unreliable. Slow menus and delayed outputs were a common issue, while repeated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto disconnections kept the system from being truly seamless. That's why the Uconnect 5 is a game changer for the 2025 Ram 2500. The truck is expected to fully embrace the latest version of the infotainment system, which should now be 5 times faster than the previous version. A smoother and more responsive interface, over-the-air updates, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will boost the overall impression. The larger 12-inch touchscreen makes it easier to navigate menus, and custom user profiles allow different drivers to save their own preferences. With Amazon Alexa, you can use voice commands for hands-free controls, and higher trim levels come with a 14.5-inch display. Beyond infotainment issues, electronic sensor failures have been another common headache for Ram 2500 owners. Key problems include false warnings from parking sensors, fluctuating tire pressure monitoring system results, random check engine lights, or malfunctioning trailer brake controllers. Many of these problems are caused by software glitches or faulty wiring connections, which can be sometimes difficult to diagnose. The truck maker has made improvements over the years, and the latest 2025 Ram 2500 comes with improved sensor calibration and diagnostic accuracy. Plus, dealerships will have access to advanced diagnostic tools, making them easier to pinpoint issues quickly. If Ram can ensure Uconnect 5 runs flawlessly and sensors work as intended, the new model will be getting a significant boost in reliability. Number 3. No more boring styling. The Ram 2500 has always been a workhorse, but let's be honest, it wasn't a head-turner. It's hard not to compare it to the competition, which is focused on aggressive styling and modern lighting elements. Meanwhile, Ram's heavy-duty lineup started to feel a bit too familiar. The boxy grille, aging headlights, and uninspired wheel design struggled to attract new buyers. But all of that is about to change with the 2025 Ram 2500. The new model finally delivers a bold presence thanks to a redesigned grille. With it, the front fascia looks bigger and more imposing. The cutout sections in the grille are now shallower, creating creating a more cohesive appearance. In the Rebel trim, you'll find distinctive directional bars, giving it a geometric high-tech feel. But it's the lighting that truly transformed the Ram 2500's face and makes it modern. Gone are the outdated projector-style headlights. In their place are 4 individual LED lights that look sharper and more futuristic. And this isn't limited to just one trim. LED headlights are now standard across the lineup. While the front end steals the spotlight, the rest of the truck gets some updates that could stay under the radar. Every grade now offers new wheel designs, and LED taillights are also available. Number 2. Overall performance boost. Towing more than 36,000 pounds was a stunning figure, but it was reserved for the Ram 3500 model with proper upgrades. Now, the 2025 Ram 2500 is also available with a high output package for the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel. That engine produces 430 horsepower and a stunning 1,075 pound-feet of torque, significantly more than the previous model, which could deliver 850 pound-feet. The new column-shifted 8-speed Torque Flight HD transmission provides quicker, smoother shifting and greater efficiency. Truckers are already noticing the difference. The new truck sprints 0 to 60 miles per hour more than a second faster than before. The new 3.42 axle ratio in the rear should improve the fuel efficiency. EPA isn't providing such data for heavy-duty trucks, but owners reported around 15 mpg combined on older trucks. The max towing capacity is 36,610 pounds, and the new Torque Flight transmission provides a more adaptive shifting logic which senses when the truck is loaded or unloaded, ensuring smooth gear transitions. Not only that, but the Cummins also upgraded the engine with a redesigned block and head, glow plugs, a new performance intake manifold, a new turbo, larger intake and exhaust valves, and a higher pressure fuel system. Besides the performance kicker, you will also feel reduced NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. Diesel is an optional powertrain, while the 6.4-liter V8 petrol remains the standard offer, and it continues to deliver 405 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque like in the previous version. Serious changes could happen pretty soon as the twin-turbo inline-6 engine called the Hurricane is taking over. Already available in the Ram 1500 as a replacement for the V8, the new unit impresses with its outputs: 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. What's even more stunning, the Cummins could also jump into the new realm with a new B6.7 platform for a future petrol powertrain, bringing the company's diesel expertise to the gas side. Not only that, but the Cummins also explores the possibility of a larger diesel drivetrain that could increase torque and towing capabilities. The Ram 2500 is ahead of the Sierra and Silverado 2500 and F250 when it comes to hauling, but both General Motors and Ford keep their best performance for the series street trucks, where the F350 can tow more than 40,000 pounds. Number 1. Prices going down. After a significant redesign, it's common to expect a price hike, but with all the changes under the hood, in the cabin, and on the exterior, many speculated that the company would increase the MSRP across the board. However, the 2025 Ram 2500 has shocked everyone by keeping prices at a similar level, with some models even available cheaper than before. For starters, the base tradesman starts at $45,565, just $315 more than the previous version. This minor increase shows that Ram has prioritized keeping its truck affordable for those who rely on it for work. Similarly, the Bighorn sees a modest price bump but now offers more versatility as it's also available with a regular cab and long bed configuration. The Laramie package, which brings added luxury, is $470 higher than before, now starting from $61,795. The price hike here is relatively modest considering the extra features and premium feel the Laramie offers. The most notable increase comes with the Power Wagon, which is now nearly $2,500 more than before. But the big surprise comes with the Rebel Grade. Previously priced at just under $80,000, it's now available for $68,900. Furthermore, the limited and limited Longhorn trims, which have always been on the premium end, are now also cheaper than before. 4x2 drive is available for both high-end grades, further offering flexibility to those buyers who may not need the full 4x4 capabilities. Thanks for watching and see you next time.